What's up, everybody? Just got done doing a pretty hard workout. As you can tell, my face may be a little bit red, but not hardly at all. I could walk around very easily, and a lot of people would probably look at me and say, this guy must have been relaxing all day, because he hardly even looks red in the face at all. There's no way this guy just did an extremely hard workout. But they'd be wrong, because I just now finished doing an there's really no other way to put it, an excruciating workout. And that's why I decided to go ahead and fire up the computer here and make a quick video telling all of you about what I'm calling the magic of endurance. A lot of people don't understand how important endurance is for anything in life. If you're durable, if you have a high amount of stamina, you can do a lot of more things than other people. For example, if you want to go on a hike, or if you're walking around at Disney World Resort all day, you're going to be able to do that a lot easier. You're not going to really get out of breath. You're going to have a lot more action within you. You're going to have a lot more of the potential and capacity for action, and that's going to make you just have a better time overall in life. I can do 70 or 80 jumping jacks with hardly breaking any sweat at all. I've met some people, bodybuilders, athletes, people that you would expect to be these really resilient characters, who are really dripping sweat after 27 or 28 jumping jacks. So that sort of goes to show you why endurance is, it's not talked about much. People are always focused on building their muscles or having a six-pack. People are focused on all of that, but what's the good of having a big muscle or having an ab that can take a punch, I guess, is the reason you would want to have a six-pack. What's the point in all that if you get punched a few times, or if you lift a few weights and you're ready to fall down because you're so tired? Not much point at all. So I would say, if you're watching this now, if you're feeling kind of down, or if you're depressed, or what have you, this is sort of a major secret self-help video, something people don't talk about, something most people don't have knowledge about. It's the magic of endurance. Look into it. Start training yourself. Because the difference between somebody, a lot of times, the difference between somebody that can walk 2 laps and somebody that can walk 100 laps is just that they put in the work. They walked 1 lap one day, then they walked 2, then they walked 4, etc., etc., until they got where they could do more and more and more. And once you get to a level that approaches where I'm at, sky's the limit. You can do almost anything if you truly master your stamina, your endurance, etc.